our principal and assistant principal for having the honor as the congratulatory panel. Let's have a better way. I would like to congratulate everyone who received their Academic Excellence Award. Palakpakan po. Your dedication to achieving academic success is really admirable.
I would also like to congratulate our proud parents who are here today. Congratulations po. Next on the list, this person has demonstrated leadership and academic distinction. He has been selected to represent the class of 2024 on this historic day. Let's have the word of gratitude of Miss Angela A. Atabay with highest honors.
Okay, mukhang buhay pa. Our Schools Division Superintendent, Sir Raimundo M. Tanton Hastizo 6. Our Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Ma'am Maria Magnolia F. Brioso. Our Public Schools District Supervisor, Sir Rene A. Atibagos. Our School Head, Sir Eulogio C. Badja. Our Assistant to the Principal, Sir George B. Basas. Our stakeholders, our teaching and non-teaching staff, our barangay officials, headed by Barangay Captain Godofredo Abela III, parents, completers, graduates, visitors, a pleasant afternoon. Graduation and completion are more than mere ceremonies. They are not just about wearing togas, sablay, and white dresses, nor about a day to represent ourselves in our best state with full makeup, straightened hair, new hair color, polished nails, new clothes, and the most expensive accessories. The essence of graduation and completion lies in the power to transform a student into a scholar, a learner into a leader. These signify the end of a journey filled with challenges, learning and development, and the commencement of another, bringing with opportunities to apply the knowledge and skills we've gained. The true essence of graduation and completion is to celebrate this day, where efforts have blossomed and culminated in the achievements we proudly reap today. It's truly a surreal moment to stand here today, adorned in our togas and white attire, symbolizing the imminent culmination of our academic journey. As I look back, it feels like just yesterday we were grappling with the daunting decisions of choosing a school, selecting a major, and envisioning the path ahead in our educational journey. And now, here we are, on the brink of the most anticipated and monumental event of our lives. This day is the embodiment of countless sleepless nights, overwhelming exhaustion, tears shed, last-minute cramming sessions, financial sacrifices, and unwavering struggles, all converging to this moment of triumph. So ito mga panahon na feeling talaga give up na kita, nakakalis na kita, kaya sobrang nakakapoy, may mga time na minsan di na kita nakakarigo para lang makasunod kita sinatag. So hindi po yan na panahon, para po niya na, para masuklihan po ito natin mga efforts natin ginhatag in order for us to be here today, to this joyous event of our lives. Reflecting on our journey, it's hard not to smile at the memories we've created together. I vividly recall our time in grade 7, where our section stood out not for academic excellence, but for our vibrant spirit and exuberance. We were known as the liveliest class, so much that even the former principal couldn't help but address us with a love letter of sorts. The message, though stern, always served to highlight the bond we shared and the joy we brought to those around us. I still chuckle at the principal's message. Alam niyo ba kung ano itong message or natutungtungan niyo pa ba itong message na ginahatag sa atin sa former principal natin dati? Natutungtungan niyo ba sa mga klase ko lang sa grade 7 na Torio? So, kung di niyo pa natutungtungan, pues, ipatungtong ko. Grade 7 ng Torio, you are very noisy. Please minimize your voice. And guess what? Even up to this day, we are still full of energy, especially our mouth. In the words of Charlotte Cuneta's song, High School, the lyrics, High school life, oh my high school life, every memory kay ganda. High school days, oh my high school days, are exciting kay saya. Through its strike a chord with me and many of us here. Our high school journey at Pinas has been a tapestry of unforgettable moments, each add to the richness of our shared experiences. Despite the school single TVO track, have embraced diverse learning opportunities and entire variety of experiences that have made our high school years even more vibrant and exciting. The TVO track has given us unique advantages from the others by providing practical skills and hands-on experiences that prepare us for a wide range of professions. Through TVL, we have lived the roles of farmers, tailors, bakers, chefs, and even construction workers. To the point na minsan galing sa dati, napasabi na lang kita, ano ba talaga? Estudyante ba talaga ako or construction worker? Kaya paano na, no? Kaya kapag late ka, obligado ka talaga na magtrabaho. Kaya yan na, siwintado na ang pag-waiter pa-view. Kaya palakpakan ka nga dahil sa ating minsan shortcomings, may balancing good effect. These experiences have molded us into the individuals we are today, ready to face the world with confidence and competence. Moreover, TVL has not limited our future prospects. Even if our track in senior high school was TVL, we can still pursue the courses we desire in college. This flexibility has empowered us to explore our interests fully while ensuring we have a solid foundation of practical skills to fall back on. So, alam ko kadamuhan sa inyo kay gusto mag-transfer kay sabi ninda, pag gusto nito magtato sa iba na strand, kay para pag college yung dati sila masyado malisudan kay gusto na mag-STEM, gusto na mag-GAS, kay related sa ilang course sa college. Pero, I am telling you, ang TVL, kapag di naman porket TVL ka, di ka na maka-enroll o maka-apply sa course na gusto mo. Ang TVL pa, no, pag ikaw na sa TVL ka, maayos ng buhay mo, hindi ka na ginapalisudan, nag-enjoy ka pa, may practical skills ka pa, or na-develop ka pa as a better person. I still recall Mom Zoe's advice that choosing the TVL track was a wise decision. She shared that her niece in college mentioned how starting anew was common for all, emphasizing that opting for TVL allowed us to savor high school life to the fullest. And she was right. We are deeply grateful to the teachers who encouraged us to take this track, as it has enabled us to enjoy our high school life to the fullest and prepared us well for the future. Indeed, our high school life here at Pinas is a treasure trove of memories that we will carry with us for a lifetime. Each laughter shared, every challenge overcome, and all the friendships forged have contributed to the tapestry of our high school experience, making it truly memorable and worth cherishing. Funny how quickly our lives transition. The last time I stood in front of you on stage, I was holding a mic and delivering a speech just like this. Back then, I was a completer just like you today. Recalling that day still makes me smile and cringe a little. My hands were shaking and my heart was racing, not from joy but from sheer nervousness. I was overwhelmed because, after almost 3 years of lockdown, we were suddenly back at school for our completion day. It feels surreal. I still saw myself as a grade 8 student, playing and laughing with my friends in the hallways. Di talaga ako naka-move on at naka-get over. Nakipagpalitang tama, speech na liwat ako. Grade 10 na ako, completer na ako. Samantalang dati naalala ko pa, sandapod ako sa grade 8 student na adat at sa likod sa may katikit sa kantin ni Ma'am Sigong. Nalagat-nalagat, nagkakanang ako, kaupod ko kamo. Tapos biglaan na lang, mabalik ako sa school, results mahahatid sa speech ko, so that made me nervous and overwhelmed at the same time. And then suddenly, there I was, delivering my speech. I was so nervous that I forgot my prepared words and stuttered in front of everyone, wishing I could disappear at that moment. But I share this not to make fun of myself, but to remind you that even those who seem perfect in our eyes make mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes. What's not okay is not learning from them. And here I am again, standing before you, holding and speaking from my heart. Standing here today symbolizes that I've learned from my past mistakes, and it has helped me achieve the title I am receiving today. While some may be amazed by my title with highest honor, and everyone is full of sana all, let me tell you about the difficulties and challenges behind my success. There were times when I questioned my abilities, just as I'm sure you have. There were moments when I cried because I felt I wasn't progressing. Like you, I felt hopeless, tired, and tempted to give up. There were nights when I didn't get enough sleep just to finish a project. Behind my achievements is someone who managed to work even when sick, who sometimes lost track of time and even forgot to take a bath because of busyness, earning scoldings from my parents. When someone says, grades are just a number, it feels dismissive because for some, grades are more than just numbers. They represent the hard work, tears, sleepless nights, sacrifices, cramming, and procrastinations of students. Those grades are a way of repaying our parents who tirelessly work hard to provide us with a good education. So, students, don't live by the saying, it's okay if my grades are low. In the end, grades are just numbers. But this doesn't mean that those with low grades don't put effort into their education. They might simply enjoy a more balanced approach because their parents will pressure them to get high grades. And I hope everyone here enjoys their student life while striving for good grades without academic pressure. Just like me, my parents didn't pressure me to achieve high grades. It was my choice, driven by my determination to make them proud. I'm not sharing all this to boost, but to encourage you all to pursue your education with passion, to work hard, and to take your studies seriously. So, students, completers, and graduates, in your next journey, apply all your learnings and enjoy studying. Don't focus solely on achieving certain grades, but study because you want to and because you have someone to make proud. For 6 long years, you have dedicated yourselves to studying and working hard to get to this moment. I am incredibly proud of you for fighting and persevering to get this far. Palakpakan po natin mga sabiri. Thank you for not giving up. Thank you for waking up each day and managing to go to school even when you were exhausted and sleep deprived. Thank you for pushing yourselves to continue your education, despite all the challenges you face. Your determination has led you to this day, where you stand proudly wearing togas and caps and live. I would like to send my biggest congratulations to the graduates of this year's batch. Wow! It seems like just yesterday we were stressing over PR 1 and 2, and some of you were frustrated because some group members were absent or just taking it easy. Shout out to those leaders who were very understanding and patient. I still remember the time when we were all worried because we